The tutorial of how to change and adjust blades. Disconnect the main power supply before operation. Remove 2 set screw from the inlet. Tilt outward to open the lid. Loosen the movable blade screw and remove. Remove the moving blade. Loosen the screw, then remove. Remove the fixed blade. Install the fixed blade, noting that the wide side of the fixed blade faces up. Install the movable blade, taking care that the narrow side of the movable blade faces up. Install screws. Note that the screws only do temporary fixation. Do not tighten them. Flip the movable blade and observe the distance between the movable blade and the fixed blade. Adjust the distance between the moving blade and the fixed blade with a hammer until the distance is about 0.5 mm. When adjustment is complete, tighten the screws. Cover the feeding hole of the copper granulator machine and fix the screws. The whole process is complete. If you do not understand, please contact customer service.